In this video, I'm going to show you where to find resources to help you with answering number 3 for the second part of the reflection project. Let's start by going to our course Moodle page. When you get to Moodle, you're going to go ahead and click on the Reflection Project tab. And if you scroll down under resources, you will see 2 that will help you with this section. The first one I want to point out is Exhibit 2.1. This is a PDF document that includes all of the pieces of Exhibit 2.1 from your textbook in one document. And you'll notice that it lists all 8 of the theoretical perspectives that we focus on in this course. For this project, I want you to pick 2 theoretical perspectives to compare and contrast about the social issue. You should not be comparing all of them, just 2. So, for instance, you may pick to compare systems and conflict, or you may compare social constructionist with exchange and choice. It's up to you to decide how you want to look at the social problem. And you'll also note that it has the main ideas, concepts, and related theories for each of the perspectives. Once you've identified your 2 theoretical perspectives that you'll use to frame the issue, then you need to compare and contrast these 2 perspectives with particular emphasis on thinking about how good of a fit is the theory for social work practice, considering our unique ethics and core values. So that brings me to have us look at Exhibit 1.7. Exhibit 1.7 is from your book, and it includes 2 sets of criteria, both of which you'll use for this project, but right now we're just going to focus on criteria for evaluating theory. And you'll find throughout the textbook that the authors have done a lot of this work for you throughout the text. And the questions are really focused on a social work perspective. So first, you're going to think about the coherence and conceptual clarity. Does it make sense? Testability and evidence of empirical support. So do these theories have research to back them up to say that they work? Comprehensiveness. So does it explain most things, or are there holes in the logic that there are things that we still don't understand about a social issue when we're thinking about it from that perspective? Then, like I've mentioned already, the consistency with social work's emphasis on diversity and power. So that is one way that social workers are very distinct from other professionals in human services and mental health, is that we have a professional commitment in our code of ethics to social justice. And all social workers should be emphasizing diversity and power. And then lastly, how useful is the theory for social work practice? Is it a practical theory for creating social work interventions to address the social issue?